In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Odoo accounting to manage transactions and handle reconciliations effectively. This powerful tool can streamline your accounting tasks, making financial management a breeze. Whether you are a seasoned accountant or a business owner new to the software, this guide will help you navigate some essential features. First, let's start with creating invoices and bills. The process is quite intuitive and begins in the Customers section. Navigate to Customers and select Invoices to generate a new invoice. Here, you can fill in all the necessary details such as the customer's information, the products or services provided, and the payment terms. Tracking due dates is crucial, and Odoo makes it easy to keep an eye on upcoming payments with a clear display of due dates. Automating reminders is an excellent feature that can save you time and ensure you never miss a payment deadline. With automated reminders, the software will send gentle nudges to clients with outstanding balances, helping you maintain a healthy cash flow. Now, moving on to payments and bank reconciliation. Odoo's reconciliation process is designed to be seamless and efficient. You can reconcile bank statements automatically, thanks to its support for thousands of banks. This feature is particularly handy if your business involves multiple transactions each day. For even greater flexibility, Odoo also allows you to import bank statements via CSV files, ensuring you can match your data easily with your records. Utilize Odoo's smart reconciliation suggestions to enhance your efficiency. These suggestions work as a guide, allowing you to match transactions with the correct accounts. This feature is not only a time saver, but also enhances accuracy in managing your financial data. In addition, the matching tools provided by Odoo simplify categorizing and pairing transactions, reducing the room for error and improving your overall workflow. As you get more familiar with Odoo accounting, you'll find that these features integrate smoothly, helping you handle your financial operations more effectively. From managing invoices to ensuring seamless reconciliation of bank statements, Odoo is equipped to handle various accounting needs with ease. I hope this tutorial helps you understand how to make the most out of Odoo accounting's features. With practice, you'll become more adept at using these tools, leading to better management of your transactions and reconciliation tasks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Odoo's comprehensive help resources or contact their customer support for more detailed guidance. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.